Guys, I just woke up and took Bear for a walk. As you can hear, they're doing construction up above us for, I guess, the next tenants moving in. But I walk into the apartment and this is what I see. Oh boy, they must have hit the wall very hard because look at this screw. It's not even straight anymore. So, yeah, this is gonna be fun to fix. Oh, crap. I'm just very confused. I think it's actually the people who live next to us there, but I thought we didn't share a wall to them because when you walk out this door, there's like these maintenance closets. So I thought that they went through, but apparently not. So yeah, this is gonna be fun to fix. Are you comfy in Dad's sweater? You like his hoodie? What if you go bye-byes? Whoop! Bye-byes! Hey, you cheater! Bye-byes! Oh, good girl! You're so smart! You're so smart! Kiss my smartest dog. So guys, I have makeup on today because I filmed a collaboration with Alicia with an E. So thank you so much, Alicia, for inviting me to participate. I'm excited to see when that video goes up. Today is Thursday and I managed to get the day off. So I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done today. I already did a little tidy of the apartment, so it's looking good, which honestly, it makes me feel great already. Like, does anybody feel that? Like when you first get the apartment or house clean, you just feel so much more productive and ready to go. And then I have a long list of stuff to do, like wrapping these presents, editing the next 2 days of vlogs. I'm gonna take knowledge the PARK. There she is. There she is. She sees the reflection from my phone in the light and she's very intrigued. But yeah, then she needs a bath when we get home, and then yeah, I've got a lot of stuff to do. So anyway, we're about to head to the park. Oh, I can't believe I almost forgot to tell you guys about my dream last night. So I had this weird dream. Me and Blake were with a group of people going to some like really run down like version of Disney World. And I specifically remember that because at the end when we were leaving, there was like a Disney princess show, but it was like all like influencers. It wasn't like Disney princesses. It was very strange. But anyway, while we were in the parking lot, there was this like rabies infested cat, and I remember it bit my hand like right in that little space between my thumb and my index finger. It was biting and I could feel its teeth. Like it was such an uncomfortable feeling. And then I woke up and it was pretty dark in the room, and I looked at my hand and it was like red and puffy, and I was like, what the heck? And then I realized it's the same hand where I got the splinter. I don't know why I had projected that pain of the splinter into my dreams, but it was very weird, and I can still feel what the cat's teeth felt like. It was so strange. Anyway, I think she's ready to go. Hey, you wanna go to the park? You wanna go to the dog park? You wanna go? Yeah? You wanna go? Okay, let's go. Come on. Oh, I'm so sorry. And this is how tired we are after the park. Walking so slow. Let's just say, guys, Nala needed the trip to the park and she also needed the bath. She is very tired now. Look at that sleepy girl. And that's good for me because that means I can get a lot of stuff done without her wanting to play and stuff. And it's really good for her to just get a bunch of exercise. Yes, I'm talking about you. Anyway, now I have a lot of stuff to do. I'm currently working on my vlog that's going up at 10 a.m. tomorrow. And then I'd also like to get done this vlog that I am recording now because tomorrow I'm working all day long, so I'm not really gonna have time to edit. And so yeah, I'm just trying to get it done. I did save myself some time and I made a Vlogmas intro and a Vlogmas outro, so that saves me a lot of time on each video. I just have to add it in. But yeah, I do have a lot of stuff to get done, so yeah. I also cleaned up the house like I said, but I do need to do some more laundry. Actually, it reminds me I need to go switch it over. Oh, also I wanted to tell you guys, this book I'm reading, The Dogs of Christmas by Bruce Cameron, is so good. I'm not even that far in, but it is really, really good. I'm hoping to finish within the next couple of weeks. I'm hoping to be halfway through by the end of this week, but with everything going on, I just don't have a lot of extra time, obviously. But yeah, if I can get the stuff that I need to get done, I am going to enjoy my night and watch the new Godmothered movie on Disney Plus, because I heard it's really, really good. I also want to read my book and to play some Fortnite. Those are the things I like to do for fun on my days off, but this is obviously the first priority because I just need to get it done. So yeah, I'm about to do that and cuddle with my sleepy doggy. Alright guys, got the vlog going. I got some other stuff done, so I feel like I deserve a little break. So I'm gonna watch Godmothered while I fold this laundry and also wrap some of the Christmas presents that are out there in the living room. And I'll let you guys know what I think of the movie. Guys, look at this Christmas puppy. Why is she so cute? Her little nose. It's so cool. Oh, Ari, I messed up your sleep. I'm sorry. So guys, I just finished Godmothered. It was a really, really, really cute movie. I have to say, the raccoon stole the show, but I definitely recommend go check it out. It was so cute. It was, you know, a little dramatic and cheesy at parts, but that's to be expected, I feel like, from a Disney Plus, like, holiday type of movie. But it was so cute, and I love the costumes, and the storyline was really magical as well. So I definitely recommend it. But I also finished wrapping all of the presents that we have so far. So our tree is looking a lot more full than it was earlier, which I'm really happy about. We still have a lot more presents to get, which is pretty bad because it's already December 10th. So yeah, we're gonna have to figure that part out. But I'm currently about to start working on this vlog right now, so that way I just have to do a couple of quick edits before bed with whatever last clips I add. And then yeah, I'm gonna wait for Blake to come home and we'll probably eat some dinner and maybe play Fortnite or watch Survivor, which is our typical things to do right now, because what else is there to do right now? We're also talking about what we want to do this weekend today. I really, really want to go to the zoo before we leave Atlanta, but unfortunately it is way too cold this weekend, so we're gonna have to wait on that. But yeah, we should do something fun. I'm not sure what quite yet. Sunday is pretty packed with an interview for my podcast, and also Blake is gonna be watching football, so we have that on Sunday, and then we'll see what Monday foretells for the future. But I'm just excited. I literally looked at my calendar. I was like, it's already December 10th. I only have 15 more days of Vlogmas to go. That is so crazy to me, and I'm really grateful for that, because honestly guys, I'm struggling this year more than any previous year, and I think that that's because in the past couple years I was working and, you know, doing my YouTube channel and everything else, but this year not only do I have a YouTube channel and a full-time job and a dog and a husband to take care of, but I also have my podcast, which I launched in April, and then I also just took on a part-time job. So I'm swarmed. I'm honestly swarmed, and I'm really proud of myself for keeping up this much, because on Monday I was panicking about keeping up, and I'm really grateful that I've kept up so far. So anyway, I'm gonna work on this vlog and prep some interview questions for my podcast on Sunday, and I'll see you guys soon. So I just hopped on Facebook and found out Disney has been announcing all of these crazy things today, like Hayden Christensen is going to be back in Star Wars and the Obi-Wan series. They announced the cast of The Little Mermaid. They announced Tiana, a new show or movie or something. They're just announcing all this stuff. I don't know why today. They announced season 3 of The Mandalorian is coming out in next December. I'm shook. I'm very shook. I don't know why they're announcing all this at once, but I'm very intrigued. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about all the announcements they made down below, because I don't even think I'm announcing all of them right now. Just what I've seen in the past 10 minutes while scrolling. Guys, look how much Blake loves me. He brought me home this Death by Chocolate cake, and it tastes like heaven. Thank you, Blakers.
You're welcome.
It's so delicious. I told him I needed chocolate today, and he came home with the most delicious dessert ever. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm about to head to bed, but we have to do today's random facts with Riss. So here it is, my random fact with Riss. Do you think that the world ended in 2012? Have you heard this theory before? There's a theory that revolves around the Mandela effect, which if you don't know what the Mandela effect is, it's basically when you remember things different to how they actually happened. For example, the most popular one in my opinion is Berenstain-Bears theory, which Berenstain is actually spelled Berenstain, like S-T-A-I-N. Bears, I think it's still pronounced Berenstain, but everybody remembers it as E-I-N. Then also there's the fruit of the loom cornucopia. There was never a cornucopia by the fruit of the loom fruits. And there's so many more you can look up. There's a theory, sorry, now hair in my mouth. There's a theory that in 2012 the world ended and we are all in a parallel universe different from the one that we actually are from. And that's why we all remember things different to how they actually are. What do you think about that?
No, I think if the world ended, we wouldn't be alive and therefore we wouldn't have any thoughts.
But how do you know that? What if we were just transported into a different parallel universe?
No, I don't believe it.
Why do you think the Mandela effect happens?
Psychology, bro.
The Mandela effect is fascinating to me because I very much remember having Berenstain-Bears videos with EIN. Anyway, that's my random thought for today. I'm going to bed. So I have to be up in like 9 hours. So I still need to go brush my teeth and stuff. And I hope that you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful week and a happy, happy Vlogmas. You wanna know what Emma and John did on their channel today? Emma and John, you're welcome. My YouTube friends. But listen to what they did today.
Well, Chris Evans is gonna be Buzz Lightyear. And then you.
I know, I told you. He's supposed to be the original Buzz Lightyear, not the Buzz Lightyear we know. Like the first Buzz Lightyear to ever exist. Anyway, listen to this, Blakers. They did something called the Elf Spaghetti Challenge. So they each had a bowl of spaghetti and then they had like all these toppings with numbers assigned to them. And then they used a random number generator and whoever got each number had to put that thing in their spaghetti. And then at the end, they had to eat the spaghetti with the items that were in it.
That's terrible.
It actually sounds really fun to me. I kind of want to try it. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's vlog. See you tomorrow. Adios, muchachos. Say bye.
Bye.